All-new Grand Kangoo E-Tech Electric's new 45 kWh, fully usable, lithium-ion battery has 8 independent and easily repairable modules, and gives the motor up to 265 km of WLTP range, which is plenty for most everyday drives at the best ownership and use costs. If you stop for 10 minutes at an 80 kW DC charging point, you can recover 80 km of range. The batteries are guaranteed for 8 years or 160,000 km. During this period, they are replaced free of charge if their capacity falls below 70% of their state of health. All-new Grand Kangoo E-Tech Electric is powered by a 90 kW motor, with 245 Nm of instantly available torque, so it drives smoothly in all situations. You can switch the driving mode to Eco, which limits power to 56 kW and caps the vehicle's speed at 110 km per hour to optimize range. All-new Grand Kangoo E-Tech Electric comes with 2 types of chargers: 22 kW AC fast charger to top up the battery from 15% to 80% in 2 hours and 40 minutes, 22 kW AC DC 80 kW charger, standard, to add 170 km of range in 27 minutes. This choice of chargers covers the full range of driving requirements among all-new Grand Kangoo E-Tech Electric users. Along with the 22 kW charger, the battery has a liquid cooling system and electrical resistance to keep the temperature right and thus maintain its range and shorten charging time. Lastly, via the My Renault smartphone app or Renault Easy Link multimedia system. Standard, all-new Grand Kangoo E-Tech Electric includes specific connected services such as scheduled battery charging and remote battery status monitoring, scheduled passenger compartment preheating or pre-cooling, help finding charging stations on your route, help finding destinations you can reach with your remaining battery charge. The model will also be available as an internal combustion model with 2 engines meeting the latest emission standards: Euro 6e, 130 horsepower petrol BVM6 or EDC7, versatile, dynamic and fuel efficient, even with 7 people on board, diesel 95 horsepower BVM6. Efficient and economical.